Hi guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this amazing wash and go. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting out on freshly washed hair and I'm going to be using the As I Am Classic Collection. And first I'm going to section off my hair and I'm going to spray each section with water, and then I'm going to go in with my detangling brush. Next, I will be going in with the As I Am Classic So Much Moisture Hydrating Lotion, and this lotion contains vegetable glycerin, aloe vera, royal jelly gel, and lavender flower extract. And this product is very lightweight and it smells fresh and it literally just glides through my hair. Next, I will be going in with my detangling brush, and then I will be applying the As I Am Classic Curling Jelly. And this curling jelly is infused with aloe vera, vitamin E, pectin, and sugar beetroot. And this product is made to lock in moisture and define your curls. And you guys are going to see that is exactly what this product is going to do for my hair. Alright, so here are my curls and they are nice and juicy and defined. So I'm excited and I'm going to finish the rest of my head. Okay, so here is my hair, and you guys, I am so happy with how it looks right now because I know this is going to be a bomb wash and go. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow to show you the finished product. All right, so it is the next day, and I'm going to take my hair down from this pineapple, and I'm going to whip my hair back and forth, back and forth, back and forth to shake it out, and then I'm going to begin to separate my curls. All right, so I fluffed out my hair, and I'm going to do my edges with my EdgEffect Edge Control and hair toothbrush. All right, you guys, so here are the final results, and I am in love with these hair products, and I know my hair will look even better over time when my hair gets bigger. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.